of my school, and I have the best students of the town with me. Education is important for all, and I value it. Ever since I was in area, I used to respect my teachers a lot, and I carried 3 symbols from them, which I have kept them with me till date. They play a very important role in our serious education. I must share them with you. There are 2 R's, and there is 1 S in that. Okay. The number 1, the most important discipline instrument that a teacher has to keep is a stick. Okay? The second important thing a teacher has to keep to discipline the rowdy students is a ruler. To knock on your knuckles, And the very traditional Indian system of disciplining, especially the boys and the girls sometimes, is the R, which is a rooster. The discipline mascot. I believe some of you must be remembering that when you were a kid and you were supposed to be roosters when you never did your homework. Anyways, let me introduce you to one of the fantastic 3 students who are present today. And now we have Papu. Come on, Papu. Sit. Now we have Chintu. And then we have the very talented Mindy. Big hand for her. Good morning, everyone, students.
Good morning, Mrs. Sharma.
Good morning. Well, students, I have one good plan today for this studies. Now we are going to start with maths first. And my first question is, if David has 10 oranges in one hand and 9 oranges in another hand, then what does David have? Raise your hands. Okay, Papu, you tell me.
David has very big hands.
Very big hands? Well, he has a logic. It's improvised IQ because if you have 9 and 10 oranges in hands, it's got to be big hands, giant hands. Okay, it's not that fair. Well, Minty, I have a question with you. If suppose you have $10 with you and you give me $2, then what do you have?
I have $10.
You have $10? How is it possible?
I won't give you any money anyway.
Oh my God, so mean of you. Okay, no, don't laugh. I have another question. The question is, what is 12 divided by 4? Who's going to answer? Okay, Papu, you tell me.
Wrong answer, I don't know that.
Oh my God. Wrong answer, I don't know, man. Why did you raise your hand? You're wasting your time. Anyway, I have one more question. That's a serious one. I need to listen to a table of 2. And I want somebody responsible to answer. No. Okay. Minty, you tell me what is the table of 2? You tell me.
2 ones are 2.
What are you doing? I asked you to recite the table, but what is that?
I don't remember the numbers of the table, but I remember the music of the table.
Oh my God! They're so inspired with the music these days. I don't like it. Now, let me change the topic. Okay, we'll talk science. What is the difference between birds and the human beings? Tell me, Minty. You tell. Okay. Oh, okay. You tell.
Well, birds, they can sit on the electric poles and electric wires, and human beings cannot.
Oh my God, Minty, I don't know where are you learning all this from. First of all, you tell me, why did you miss the school yesterday?
I did not miss school yesterday. I watched TV, enjoyed with my
You guys are, okay. Chintu, now I got a complaint about you yesterday. Your mommy complained you were spitting in the bathtub. Why were you doing that?
I was spinning in the bathtub because I wanted my mom to slip when she goes to take a shower.
What do you mean you wanted me to, you wanted your mom to slip in the bathtub? And you were trying to take revenge from her? So mean of you. Come on, what's happening to these kids of this current generation? You know you guys are Indian, is that so? Right?
Yes.
And your parents are Indian?
Yes.
Okay, now I have a question now. Let's relate it to the language translation. You must be knowing Hindi, is that so?
Yes.
Okay, now I have a line. I want you to translate. The line is Ladki niche khadi hai. Mindy, you tell me.
Misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding. You completely misunderstood me. Anyway, there's one more. Now I believe you should be knowing Hindi and English. The question is, the line is, it says, ये काम नहीं हो सकता, अगर हुआ तो होता रहेगा, होता रहेगा, होता रहेगा. अब अगर आपको ये क्या है?
This work cannot be done. If it is done, it will be dun 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 dun.
I could never dream of such brilliant students in my class. They have a superior IQ level. Anyway, now see. Hey, Chintu, were you trying to sleep in my class? Somebody is trying to sleep in my class. You know what he told yesterday when I was asking him not to sleep? I said, why are you trying to sleep? And he's like, yes, I was trying to sleep only if you stop yelling in the class. Now guys, have you done your homework?
Yes.
Did your homework?
Yes, but I left my notebook at home.
What the hell?
I did my homework.
You did your homework too? Where is your?
I did my homework and sent home.
Oh my God, they left your homework at no. You know, in our times when our teacher used to ask such question and we used to have make some excuse, they used to make half of the boy the roosters, half of the girl the hens. You get me? Anyways, now I'm asking you, because you have not done your homework and you have not brought your notebook, then why you did not stay at your home?
Okay, teacher, we're going home. Yay!
Well, this is the current generation of students. This is a small questionnaire I have prepared. This is what, if you relate the Indian and American system of schooling, the discipline factor of India is too much rigorous, and the discipline factor in USA is decent enough, but for Indian species, the mixture is required for our genes, you know. Our genes have special stimulating factors. They need to be controlled with the controlled environment of a danda and a chappal and a rooster. Thank you so much, everyone.
Hiroshima, for taking up such a beautiful issue and reminding all the parents here, US, India, and all over. As always, enthralling performance. Thank you. These kids picked it up in a couple of days. That's what I'm told. So it's very hard to memorize dialogues and tell them. So I think we can do better than that for these little kids. The cast was entirely changed yesterday night. Thank you. Thank you so much.